WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Warm, steamy, tropical, what have you around here today. We've had a little bit of rain, but overall pretty quiet. We are looking at some impacts from Laura as we go throughout your Thursday and Friday. Wind will be increasing later tonight into tomorrow and Friday. We may see some wind gusts between 20 and 35. There could be a few isolated tornadoes as well. Maybe tomorrow, perhaps tomorrow night, but I think Friday may offer the better opportunity for that. Again, that's all subjective to see how this all plays out. Rainfall potential, a ½ inch to 2 inches or more. Some of you could get some locally heavy rain. Some of you may miss out on a lot of the heavy rain, but no widespread serious impacts, but it will be noticeable in our area for the next 2 days at least. This is our time-lapse network from Columbus, Tupelo, Vernon at Durham's Pharmacy, Louisville, Mississippi today. Friendly clouds. We had some morning rain and some storms around, and then we cleared that out and got really steamy. Highs in the 90s, the heat index in the triple digits. A little thunder shower dying there south of Bruce, and let me get out of the way. There's a few other dying showers over there in Lamar County, and we've been watching some bigger activity back to our west in the Delta. That is moving away from our area, and there's another little batch down by Meridian that's trying to come our way, but a lot of what we have now will be going away as we get into the evening hours. So pretty quiet after sunset, we think. Lows will be down into the mid-70s, muggy, a little bit of a breeze. That breeze increases tomorrow. Southeasterly winds at about 10 to 25. Overall quiet through midday. During the afternoon and the evening, we'll have a chance for some of those showers and storms that would be associated with the outer bands of Hurricane Laura. Your forecast for tomorrow, upper 80s to low 90s. Very steamy. The heat index may flirt with the century mark yet again. So here's the latest on the hurricane. Sustained wind at 145 miles per hour. It's moving north-northwest about 15 miles per hour. It's about 100 miles offshore. Wind gusts in this thing could be up to about 170 right now. This is Futurecast, and we are looking at the landfall about midnight or a little bit after that tonight. For us, a quiet night. Tomorrow, though, we will watch out for some of these budding showers. Now, anything east of the center is game for rotation, maybe a brief tornado, especially in the feeder band that will be likely over here along and west of the Mississippi River, west of Interstate 55. This is where the best chance for some of those spin-up tornadoes will be tomorrow. I'm not ruling anything out farther east. We've seen at times occasional rogue warnings for these showers well off to the east with one of these hurricanes. So we'll just see how that all plays out. But in general, tornado risk tomorrow, fairly limited. And then as we get into the evening and overnight tomorrow night, the feeder band tries to constrict back towards the area of low pressure that will be in Arkansas. So we may not have a lot of activity around here tomorrow night either. The remnant low will be moving into Tennessee and Kentucky as we get into Friday. That will give us a better chance for scattered showers and storms, and some of these would have a better chance for heavy rain and maybe some rotation. So that's why we're thinking Friday could actually offer a better opportunity for some of those spin-up tornadoes. Rainfall potential perhaps a little bit heavier in the northwest, and the winds really increasing. Gusting 25, 30, 35 miles per hour tomorrow night into our Friday. So those will be the effects that we will get from Laura Thursday into Friday. Still some scattered storms possible this weekend into next week. In the wake of that system, plenty of humidity and a continuing chance for some showers and storms.
As high school sports kick up, coaches are having to navigate through unprecedented